Disciplinary creativity. An initiative of Anamika Kala Sangam Trust, supported by Imami Foundation and guided by the visionary leadership of our chairperson Richa Agarwal, KCC is more than a venue. It is a dynamic cultural space committed to meaningful, culturally enriching and socially responsible programming. We are delighted to have you here with us and hope you enjoy this celebration of creativity and culture. As you are all aware, this is the Rajasthan festival being celebrated here, Ram Ram Sa. I want all of you to say Ram Ram Sa to me. Ram Ram Sa. The story of Ramjhol began 4 years ago with a simple yet deeply held belief. Culture is at its most meaningful when it brings people together. Every edition has reaffirmed our belief. This year, Desert Meets Delta is both our theme and our invitation. पीढ़ियों से राजस्थान के अनेक परिवार कोलकाता को अपना घर बनाते आए हैं। आज हम में से अनेक लोग दोनों संसारों के उत्तराधिकारी हैं। हमारी स्मृतियों में मरुस्थल बसता है, जबकि हमारा वर्तमान डेल्टा की धरती पर खिलता है। Many in our community today carry dual words within us. We speak in one language and dream in another. We inherit memories of the desert while calling the delta our home. रमझोल का वास्तविक अर्थ भी यही है। यह मेल मिलाप है, यह हुई चोरी है। सच कहें तो रमझोल पायल की झनकार को कहते हैं, लेकिन इसका वास्तविक अर्थ ये है जब बहुत सारे लोग साथ मिलकर खुशी मनाते हैं, आनंद से रहते हैं, आनंद महसूस करते हैं, तो रमझोल का संचार होता है। यह मेल मिलाप है, यह होई चोरी है, यह साथ आने की ऊष्मा है, साझा करने की खुशी है और रिश्तों का उत्सव है। As the winds of Rajasthan meet the waters of Bengal, we warmly invite you to be the part of shared celebration. Come with curiosity, lead with stories and friendship. Welcome to KCC Ramjhol 4.0, Desert Meets Delta. Music possesses a rare kind of magic. It crosses borders, connects generations, and turns a simple melody into a timeless emotion. Today, we take you on a journey straight into the majestic heart of Rajasthan's musical identity, anchored in the rich, emotive notes of Rag Mand. Our presentation, Padharo Maharadesh, is a beautifully curated celebration of this heritage. From ancient folk roots to refined semi-classical forms and vibrant contemporary adaptations, it showcases how the spirit of Rajasthan continues to enchant audiences worldwide. To bring this music alive, we are joined by a true powerful duo, two lifelong friends who began their artistic journey right here at St. Xavier's College, Kolkata, and have since carried Indian music to the global stage. They have led the Indian Orchestra at the G20 Global Summit featuring musicians from 30 nations, created the viral Jaya He 2.0, Jaya He 2.0 anthem alongside 75 legendary Indian icons and collaborated with stalwarts like Asha Bhosle, Guljar and Shabana Azmi. This evening, while Rag Mand serves as the anchor, their performance will also branch out into vibrant multi-genre set, bringing you a rich mix of timeless classics, folk traditions and contemporary favorites. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the internationally acclaimed, trend-setting duo, pianist Surendra, vocalist Soumyajit, and their incredible ensemble. ensemble of musicians. Please join me in welcoming them, Surendra and Soumya ji.
टीवी डाउन पे पूरा वाइड नहीं मिलेगा, वो बैनर दोनों वाला दो साइड का हमने देखा। क्या करें, आप बोलो तो सामने ले सकते हैं। हाँ तो जा रहा है थोड़ा डाउन, थोड़ा स्ट्रेट वाला नहीं मिलेगा। हाँ हाँ एकदम
Namaskar everyone. It brings us extreme joy to see all of you in a monsoon evening. You know, monsoon brings us a little sadness because there are fewer shows, and where there's an invitation in a beautiful space like KCC to perform a set of songs which are very close to the desert and Mand. Mand is somewhere deep in the heart of every musician because it not only brings a lot of bereavement and joy through music, but at the same time, the scale is so profound that it gives a dynamic, impulse to recreate, procreate, and come up with something new, compositions. And there are many reflections of Mand in other forms of music. So today we have come extremely unplanned, just to be very acoustic and live with you, because this is an interactive space. This is not a space where we feel like an auditorium. And the prima donna is here. We are so happy for your presence. As we walked in, we felt like we are walking into an art center that we always missed when we were young in Calcutta. We had traveled widely in different parts of Europe, where there were these situations where people, music lovers, were this close to the artist. And we felt so energetic today that at least Calcutta has this thing today with us. For you, not only for us, but also for you.
Finally, I took a little time to set my earpiece and we started. And I was just waiting for him to finish, but
So that was the opportunity to talk LCBC.
all the time. You know what? Absolutely out of context, but just a couple of days back, we were invited in the governor's house because the governor wanted to meet the cultural people of the city. And then he asked us something very awkward. He asked us to say something about ourselves and introduce ourselves. So we were nearly about 15-20 people all together, and it was so difficult to talk about yourself. And Shorendra naturally took the microphone from me, and he blatantly said that we are musicians of the town, but I have to say that after a long time, West Bengal gets a good-looking governor. Can you just imagine that? But after that, I don't know what to say about it.
No, we had very bad experiences for the last couple of years.
So yeah, that's how I have to deal with it. I would like to thank KCC for inviting us, and especially whenever we go to the other cities. I mean, we used to go to the other cities and we saw so many opportunities of festival and venues that people knew something unique was happening every weekend. So they would come, they would be associated with culture. We always felt that if our city would have something like this, and could we just put our hands together for KCC, because yeah, they made it. So with Rajasthan and Bengal, apparently it looks that there is nothing much in common, because the desert, it waits for the monsoon, and the delta, we have enough of water. But culturally, there are several bridges that has formed, and while doing a little research and homework, we were surprised to see that, and we will present it to you gradually in this evening. But first, केसरिया बालम केसरिया बालम आवो जी पधारो मारे दे पधारोनी मारे देश केसरिया बालम आवोनी पधारो मारे देश दे पधारो मारे सावण आवण कर गयो कोण अनेक सावण आवण कर गयो कोण अनेक गिनता गिनता खस गई रिमाड़ियां गलियां जीते ओ पधारो जी मारे देश दे पधारो मारे
मार गाड़ियों देश गयो प्यारो लागे दे ढोला 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 मारा उजली निर्मल दे चम चम चमकी चांदनी हर चम चम चमके चांदनी जैसे चांदनिया के पधारो मारे केसरिया बारा पधारो मारे देश ने पधारो मारे And with this Pradhan Mahadesh, what comes to our mind is Shabon Duma Khule Uruno Aloke Esho Mukto Ejoke Khono Kale Abashote Chiro Kaler Tare Esho Amar Kare Esho Esho Can I just ask all of you to sing with me? Esho Esho Amar Kare Esho Bahi Hoye Esho Bahi Hoye Esho Tumi Jia Chondore Esho Amar Kare Padharo Mare Desh Thank you so much. You know, now that I've heard you sing, I have to say that this intimate space and this intimate kind of performance is absolutely memorable and beautiful if both sides of the PA sound system joins. So tonight definitely we are going to sing songs that together we'll sing and make it memorable. And the next song is something that is so beautiful and it's just like a welcome song. And all of us we know. But before we start this song, I just have to say this small little thing that now, in this century, in this part of the century, this collaboration or connection between two different parts of the world or cultures seems to be trendy. But, well, I'm talking about a century ago when we had a poet, Rabindranath. And throughout his lifetime, he traveled intensively all across the world. And wherever he has been, if one collects, one would realize that he has definitely collected a piece of culture, maybe a song or a poetry or something with him. And then in his art house of Jorashako or Shilaidaho or Shantiniketan came so many beautiful compositions which have Bengali lyrics, which have all the care and creativity of Gurudev, but which has the origin of the entire world. So I always say that there are many compositions of Gurudev which are basically world music. So this is a song that I'll be singing. This was inspired from the state anthem of Mysore. But the relevance here this evening is, it's a beautiful welcome song. And for all the Bangalis all across the world, Amra Ja Kichu Shubho Shuru Kori, we have this song with us. So we are going to sing it together. महिमा तव उद्भासित महागगन माझे महिमा तव उद्भासित महागगन माझे বিশ্ব জগৎ মণিভূষণ বেষ্টিত চরণে জগতে তব কি মহোৎসব বন্দন করে বিশ্ব জগতে তব কি মহোৎসব বন্দন করে বিশ্ব শ্রী সম্পদ ভূমাস্পদ নির্ভয় শরণে আনন্দলোকে মঙ্গলালোকে বিরাজ সত্য সুন্দর। Do you want to listen to the original song, the state anthem of Mysore? Kayam Sri Gauri Karuna Lahari Kayam Sri Gauri Karuna Lahari Hoya Jakshi Shankareshwari Hoya Jakshi Shankareshwari Anandaloke Mongolaloke Sorry, my earring that I always say is, yeah, now it's a little bit.
So, like a month back, we were in Rajasthan, like, as we also met each other in one of the travels. So, we were putting up something to travel all across India. So, we met Ustad Ghafoor Khan there. Like, he's a very senior folk singer and probably the guru of all that we get to hear, like Mame Khan Sahab and the others. But what we faced then was the infrastructure was so that there were no studio to record him. There was no space for them to at least come together and practice. But the best thing was that in the 70s government had made a mohalla where all the Manganiars lived together near Jaisalmer. So when we went into that area, we found that all the houses were residences of these Manganiar singers. And from every home, something or the other was heard. Like some were playing dholak, some were playing, harmonium. And that sound of that mohalla was so beautiful. And one of them had a studio. So he walked in and there were no microphones. So the singer was just facing the wall because the wall had a carpet and it was absorbing the sound. So we were just thinking how to develop an infrastructure for them, and we would definitely write to people so that they get this support. But what we gathered from there was they were so acoustic and there was so much knowledge inside them. Each of them carried thousands of songs like an encyclopedia. They could just sing out of their memory. The tunes were so wide and all based on different traditional classical ragas which came from Arab, from Pakistan, and rooted through Rajasthan to other parts of India. And Mand was a predominant thing there.
Yeah, thank you. I thought I would be singing something else, but he took me to somewhere else. Now I'm in a dilemma, but I think I should sing that because once I've sung Anandaloke Mongolaluke and I've just explained that how Gurudev was inspired from the state anthem of Mysore. I want to sing something where somebody else was inspired from Gurudev. So then this piece becomes, complete. And you see, music is something which no one can claim to be absolutely theirs. It is of the nature, and we just tend to be a part of time, to touch it, to witness it, and then leave it for, posterity. But this song also, again, all of you have to join me, and then we'll again move to Mand. যদি তারে নাই চিনি গো সে কি, যদি তারে নাই চিনি গো সে কি, সে কি আমায় নেবে চিনে এই নব ফাল্গুনের দিনে। জানি যদি তারে নাই চিনি গো সে কি। I'm sure you know the song. সে কি আমার কুড়ির গানে কবে, সে কি আমার কুড়ির গানে কবে কথা গানে গানে পরাণ তার নেবে এই নব ফাল্গুনে দিনে। জানি যদি তারে নাই চিনি গো সে কি। तुझे थामे कई हाथों से मिलेगा मद भरी रातों में जगा के अनसुनी सी धड़कन बलवा भर दूंगी तेरा मन नई अदा से सताएगी नई अदा से सताएगी तभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना तो तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना नन्हा सा खिलेगा अंगना सोनी पैया सजेगी सजना साधना नी पद नन्हा सा खिलेगा अंगना सोनी पैया सजेगी सजना जैसे कि चंदा बादल में खेलेगा वो तेरे आंचल में चंदनिया गुनगुनाएगी चंदनिया गुनगुनाएगी तभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना देखो ना तेरे मेरे ओ नया कोई जानी যদি তারে নাই চিনিব And now, as Shoridru was mentioning, Mand, of course. Mand is a beautiful rag. It is a folk scale and it is a signature of Rajasthan. So if Rajasthan has its Jaisalmer and its Hawa Mahal and the Jodhpur Palace, then it also has, visually it has all of that. But audio it has Mand. So no matter wherever we are in this beautiful world, we listen to Mand and we are straight away pulled to Rajasthan. Now, way back in the late 70s probably, or early 80s, Bengal has its tradition of non-film music. Not many states used to have that. It was only dependent on film music. But a few like Punjab and Tamil Nadu and Bengal, they had a very, very strong non-film music zone and category. And twice a year in those days, একটা বসন্তের সময় আর একটা দুর্গাপূজার সময়, all these great artists would cut their album of 2 songs and we would be enriched with them. So Manna Dev এক বছর ঠিক করলেন that he would be composing something in Mand. And how it is so beautiful যে রাজস্থানের যে bold approach of Mand বাংলায় এসে কেমন একটা খুব শ্রীময়ী হয়ে উঠলো, খুব স্নিগ্ধ হয়ে উঠলো, and we don't even realize that this song is
in Rag Mand, and it has its origin in Rajasthan. But it's beautiful. And let's see where all we can go from Mand. सावण आवण कह गयो कह गयो कोड बने गिनता गिनता घस गई माड़ियां लिया जीवे ललिता ललिता ओके आज चले जेते बोलना ओके आज चले जेते बोलना ओ ललिता ओके आज चले जेते बोलना ওখানে জানাইতে যাব না ঘাটে জানাইতে যাব না ও সখী অন্য ঘাটে চল না ও ললিতা ওকে আজ চলে যেতে বল না আমাকে সবাই দোষে সে সাধু খানি দিবালো কিসে আমায় নাম ধরে ডাকি আমাকে সবাই দোষে সে সাধু যখনই ডাক দেশে তখনই যেতে হবে যখনই ডাক দেশে তখনই যেতে হবে আমি কি এমন তর ভালো ললিতা ওকে আজ চলে যেতে বলনা ও ললিতা নিশিরাতে বাসিতা শীত কাটি তোরে চুপি চুপি ঘরে এসে বাজে রোয়ে রোয়ে নিশিরাতে বাসিতা 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 নিশিরাতে বাসিতা শীত কাটি
Pasani panita madama gabadan khate jalite jabuna jabuna khate jalite jabuna jabuna o shakhi onno khate kalma ululita oke ache chole jete oke ache chole jete oke ache chole jete bolna केसरिया बालम पधारो मारते ए पधारो मार हर मारे पधारो मारते बोल राधे राधे गोविंद जय बोलो राधे राधे गोविंद जय बोलो राधे 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 जब तुसी गोविंद बोलो जय ओके राधे राधे गोविंद बोलो जय राधे 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 बोलो राधे सखी है सखी अकबर राधे 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 गोविंद बोलो जय राधे राधे गोविंद बोलो राधे राधे गोविंद बोलो जय राधे राधे गोविंद बोलो जय राधे गोविंद बोलो जय राधे राधे गोविंद बोलो जय राधे राधे गोविंद बोलो राधे राधे गोविंद बोलो जय राधे बोलो राधे बोलो राधे ओ किया সখী লোকে বলে কালো আরে কালো নয় সে যে আমারই চোখের আলো বধু কালো তাই কাজল লেখায় আমি নয়ন করেছি কালো अरे केसरी आभरण आबोनी पधारो जी मारे So, Maan is basically, technically it is the Khamaj of Rajasthan. And Khamaj is the scale that all, most of the folk melodies are in. So our Bangla Kirtan and Maan are somehow connected. So it's not only Radha Krishna who's omnipresent in both the states, but it is also Khamaj and Maan. I have to just came to my mind that we've been singing this from our childhood, and this Naam Sankirtan was initiated by none other than, I say, the first rock star of India, the first man who had his own band. He's Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And yeah, of course, and just imagine with his band what waves he created. And this Naam Sankirtan, could you just give me the scale? So, hey, Hori Bol, Hori Bol, Hori Bol, Hori Bol, Hori Bol, Hori Bol, Hori Bol. We've been singing this, or we've been listening to this since our childhood, but did we ever realize that even Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya Jaya, even that has the strains of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in it. So music in its own way is, it is so well knit, and that creates the social fabric of our country, which is so diverse, yet it is so united. And from Mand, I want to emphasize on this, if you allow me, because for Shorendra and me, except this and maybe one or two things, nothing is common. I mean, if he's a coffee person, I'm a tea person. He's someone who loves to go to an airport at least 2 hours before the flight. And he would go to the lounge, have his coffee with a book, and he has so much of time. And I'm the one who's always rushing and making calls that kindly just 5 more minutes and I'm there. So I don't know how we managed so long together, but this is a subject that I'm going to sing right now. It started because of our disparities and because of our differences. So Shorendra's upbringing is absolutely very classical. He comes from a very classically popular family with his piano, and so he learned his piano from Balsara ji and also Velayat Khan Sahab. And he considered Aligarh Khan Sahab and Pandit Ravi Shankar ji, who all of them played in his home. So he grew up with them, and later on, Bach, Beethoven and Mozart and Chopin and all these great men, they ended his life, and he thought, this is music, and anything apart from this is not my class. But who knew that I'm going to come to his life in college, and I came with all my Salil Chaudhary and Lata Mangeshkar and Kishore Kumar and Manohar Mukherjee and God knows, so many greats. And we had been fighting over this for the last 22 years or 20 years.
Please keep on fighting.
And one cloudy afternoon, I remember, so he was just playing a rag, and I said, come on, let's see how many, because see, music is same everywhere. So let's see how many of my type of music fall in your type of music. And that is how this piece originated. So I'm just going to sing that. It's something which is funny, but whenever and wherever we sing it all across the world, people love it. It's a medley, two lines of each song. And we're just going to show and see how a rag, say for instance Yaman, because it's evening, has inspired the great composers of the last century, who we keep very safe in our hearts. But we don't realize that these compositions are in Rag Yaman. So, But before that, I want all of you to sing a little Yaman with me. Come on, let's do it. Okay? Don't be shy. Ma pa re, ma pa re, ga re, ni ra ni re, sa ma pa Madha Mani Pa Sani Pa Pa Re Ni Re Ga Ma Pa Re Pa Re Nire gare, nire gama gare, nire gama pa gare, nire gama dama gare. only possible in Bengal. So the first bandish that I learned from Guruji was Guru bil kaise gun gaave, Guru bil kaise gun gaave. He would mention gun gaave, Guru na mane to gun nahi gaave, gune janame beguni kahave. Guru bin kaise gun gaave. And then I realized that Pare and wo shaam kuch अजीब थी. Is your mother? ये शाम भी अजीब है, वो कल भी पास पास थी, वो आज भी करीब है. वो शाम कुछ अजीब थी, ये शाम भी अजीब है, वो कल भी पास पास थी, वो आज भी करीब है. वो शाम कुछ अजीब. And then, do you know the name of the composer? Anyone? Well, it's Hemant Mukhopadhyay. It's Hemant Kumar, and to our surprise, it's sung by Kishore Kumar. And just imagine, these are the two greats who we never ever associate with, Rag Sangeet and again classical music. But when they are collaborating, it's purely Yaman. And then the next one would be, so let me just go through a timeline. After Hemant Kumar, we come to Shankar Jayakisan. एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, दिल चाहता है वो कहने दो मुझे, तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे. एहसान तेरा दिल चाहता है वो कहने दो मुझे, हो गई है मुझे, पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो. From Shankar Jayakisan to Kalyanji Anandji. चंदन सा बदन चंचल चितवन, धीरे से तेरा ये मुस्काना मुझे दोष न देना. जगबानो हो जाऊं अगर मैं दीवाना. चंदन सा बदन चंचल चितवन. मदन मोहन. जरा सी आग होती है तो दिल सोचता है, कहीं ये वो तो नहीं, कहीं ये वो तो नहीं. जरा सी आग होती है तो दिल सोचता है, कहीं ये वो तो नहीं. Okay. Also Roshan, one of my favorite songs. मन रे तू काहे न धीर धरे, तू काहे न धीर धरे। खयाम साहब, कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए। तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं, तुझे ज़मीन पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए। मेरा गीत अमर कर दो, बन जाओ मीत मेरी। मेरा प्रीत अमर कर दो, आकाश का सोनापन मेरे तन्हा मन में। पायल छनकाती तुम, आ जाओ जीवन में। सनई प्रीत चला कर तुम, ये प्रीत अमर कर दो। So then, article 1. मेरी आवाज़ ही पहचान है, गर याद रहे हो ना गुम जाएगा, चेहरा ये बदल जाएगा। मेरी आवाज़ ही पहचान है, हो आपसे भी खूबसूरत आपकी आंखों में कुछ महके हुए से। यमन नी पर माँ पर। So then somebody asked me that all these songs are very old. आजकल क्या बन रहा है? That's not true. Amazing compositions are even happening today, and Yaman is still so relevant. So, तेरी आशिकी, तेरी आशिकी, जगह पैरों से ज़मीन ज़मीन लगा। तेरी आशिकी जगह पैरों से ज़मीन ज़मीन लगा। तेरी आशिकी। रहमान, A.R. रहमान, even संजय लीला बंसाली। तुझ संग पैर लगाया ऐसा राना मैं फिर अपने जैसा। Even कल्याण जी, sorry, नदीम श्रवण is in Yaman. पापा गरे गरे जरे रवि गरे 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 मामा रे गरे मामा गरे सा। सोचेंगे तुम्हें प्यार करेंगे नहीं, के दिल बेकरार करेंगे नहीं। ख्वाबों में बसाया तुमको, यादों में छुपाया तुमको, मिलोगे हमें तुम जन्म कहीं ना कहीं। मन्ना दे অনেক শিখা পুড়ে তবে এমন প্রদীপ চন্দ্রহারে কাজল ধাওয়া জাল ফেলো না সুন্দরী গো দোহাই দোহাই মান করো না। And how can we end it but without Gurudev and Yaman? দাঁড়িয়ে আছো তুমি আমার গানের ওপারে, দাঁড়িয়ে আছো তুমি আমার গানের ওপারে, আমার সুরগুলি পায়ে চলো আমি পাইনে তোমারে, गुरु बिन कैसे गुण गावे गावे Again, after this, I want to pick it up again. So, how do we know that a song belongs to a particular region? I think only by its language. But very few musicians or maybe people who know music literally would understand the language of music in itself. So just try it out that if you remove all the words of a song and still does the melody appeal to you, or it talks to you, or it takes you somewhere. So this is a composition that is something like that. It's a beautiful composition, and it is based on nonsense lyric. We love performing it all the time. I can see so many eyebrows going up. Oh, what's that? So I'm just going to play, except for this first two lines, which is Muthuswami Dikshitar Kriti, but the rest, everything is nonsense. Lyric. So just, and I'm singing this because it's in Rag Yaman, and I just want to conclude it with some interactions and conversations. Will not make it too loud. Not too loud.
I just wanted to know why you play that harmony. You want to play that?
Yes, I will.
We can see you. It was there all through.
It's a keyboard jealousy.
You had to bring one just to come.
So Yaman, by now you know how it sounds, and this is the South Indian part of Yaman, which is Kalyani. Krishnani Begani Baro Begane Begane Baro Mukhabano Toro Mukhabano Toro Krishna, 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 Begane, Baro. Oh Krishna, please come and save me. Tadrani de la Can you just put your hands together?
Our journey was very different because we were trying, like all these things when we grew up, was not being performed by people. And there were no
You mean that they were definitely performed, but
but
not in a
performed.
gathering like this?
So basically, using a Western instrument or a drum kit for an Indian classical musical piece was not that accepted. So it was a very big struggle for us to, convince people or make people, realize that it could be played with Western instruments, with a modern bandish setup. That's what we say. And we were trying to find the soundscapes. Like what chords, how can we apply Western chords, Western instruments, without hurting the tradition of our country or the logic of the ragas that we have. Because you can put chords on a raga while, there are rules that you cannot use this note, but somebody is applying that. That hurts the nature of our Oriental aesthetics. So it was a very different struggle. And today we have spaces like this, audiences like you, especially with the help of the social media, we could reach out to a global audience in different countries who accept this kind of music. And communities are being built that trust and believe to listen to experimental music.
And this is, this composition is called Tilana, and one of the greatest, I would say, virtuoso of Carnatic classical music is Dr. M. Balamurali Krishna, and we had the opportunity of working with him, learning from him, and also working with him on a couple of projects. And Apu, I've never shared this, but we worked with him for say about 6 months, and then after that we were doing an album for an ashram, and they didn't have that much of fund, but we wanted to have Dr. Saab sing a song. So we called him to say that we would be so happy if you would just sing a song, but it's for an ashram and these are the charitable work they do, so they don't have money to pay. Will you mind? So he said, Beta, I have a recording of mine from the 60s, which is quite fresh. Why don't you use it? I said, are you sure they are not paying and this would be something which is like a gem? Don't you think there would be a copyright issue or something? He said, if my singing and my voice could be used by anyone to make something good, what copyright are you talking about?
I was totally taken aback that, well, this is how an artist and a vocalist should approach. So yeah, we just made a video a few days back because it was Guru Purnima, and we said that people call us that you guys are very lucky. We say we are blessed. And how do we know we are blessed? That when we look back at our journey, we see these greats who stand across and they have inspired us or probably shaped our ideas in such a way that today we are where we are. Without them, we would have been lost or probably we don't know what we would have been doing right now.
But even to the contrary, today the young generation, the young students of music are also giving us new directions. Like they come up with very wild things which they do unknowingly, and we learn even from them. It's very important also to learn from the next, and we are very fortunate that India today are also producing a superb new generation of musicians whose thoughts are completely different. Especially, we were born in an age when landlines were there. We saw mobile phones. We saw technological shift.
And we saw the faux pas of having landlines and wrong connections. We have some amazing stories.
So, and this new generation have come up with technology in their pockets, and they're utilizing that. And it's even important for us in every field to also adapt that and take the benefits of it.
But when there were not so much of technology, there was this man who connected us to Rajasthan and Rajasthan to Bengal. Can you guess the name of this man? Sorry?
Satyajit Roy.
It was so nice. We were there in Jaisalmer, and to our surprise, they have a Mukul Toli. So I was wondering what is this Mukul Toli, and then they said कि वो picture आया था सोनार केला, वो जो मुकुल यहीं पे उसका shooting हुआ, तो तब से उसका नाम, and we realized that wow. So let's pay a tribute to him. The next performance will be Satyajit Ray. From desert to delta. Just play the small little, part that you played. It is, it's Mozart, right? That's Mozart. This inspires Satyajit. आज के मोदिर बड़ई सुखे आज के मोदिर बड़ई सुखे आज घरेर बांधन ছেড়ে মোরা হয়েছি সাথী দাদা হয়েছি সাথী আজ আবার মোরা ভাবো ঘুরে মুলুক ছেড়ে যাবো দূরে ভরবো ভুবঙ্গানের সুরে পুরানো দিনের কথা আসে মনে পুরানো দিনের কথা আসে মনে আসে ফিরে আসে আহা কি আনন্দ Come on, let's go back to the childhood. Let's sing it together. Shaki shaki, pakiraki. Shaki shaki, koto shobha. Ahaki ando akashe batase. Ahaki ando. মোর বাংলাদেশ থেকে
কতই রঙ্গ দেখি দুনিয়া ও ভাই রে ভাই, আমি কতই রঙ্গ দেখি দুনিয়া। আমি যেই দিকেতে যাই দেখে অবাক বনে যাই, আমি অর্থ কোনো খুঁজে নাই পাই রে ভাই রে ভাই রে, কতই রঙ্গ দেখি দুনিয়া। This is the music of Mogulas. দেখো রে নয়ন মেলে জগতের জগতের দিনের আলো দিনের আলোয় কাটে অন্ধকার, দিনের আলোয় কাটে অন্ধকার। ভূতের রাজা দিল বল, জবর জবর তিন বল। ভূতের রাজা দিল বল, জবর জবর তিন বল। এক দুই যা চাই খুশি খাইতে পারি, যেখানে খুশি যাইতে পারি। সানি লা বাবা রে যা রে, সানি লা বাবা রে গা বাবা রে গা বাবা রে বাবা রে গা বাবা রে গা সা। Sani ga re ga ma re ga ma re ma re ga ma re ni sa ni la ma re sa. Ni sa ni ga ma re ni sa ni la ma re sa. Ni sa ni ga ma ni sa ni ga ma গাইতে পারি। ভূতের রাজা দিল, ভূতের রাজা দিল, ভূতের রাজা দিল, ভূতের রাজা দিল। Two lines, because and then we come to the end. This is again another connection for musicians with Rajasthan. Can we just have F? This is about a beautiful lava, a bhakt, a person from the Bhakti movement. I'm sure you know who I'm talking about. पायो जी मैंने, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो। पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो। पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो। Can you all sing together? पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो। पायो जी मैंने भक्ति अमोलिक दी मेरे सदगुरु। कृपा कर अपना आयो जी मैंने मीरा के प्रभु मीरा के मीरा मीरा प्रभु मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर मीरा के प्रभु मीरा के प्रभु मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर हरक हरक जस गायो हरक हरक जस गायो आयो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो आयो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो राम रतन धन पायो राम रतन धन पायो राम रतन धन पायो राम रतन धन राम रतन धन राम रतन धन Meera. And now when I come to the Bhakti cult, I have to sing this song also for 2 lines. Again, a unique relationship of Bengal and Rajasthan. So we were basically trying to make a documentary which is still unfinished, and I'm sure we'll finish it someday. That all of us, we know that our own Swami Vivekananda was the one who went to Chicago for the speech for the Parliament of Religions. We were very curious to know about what happened. How did we come to know about this Parliament that was going in Chicago, and how did we make it? And to our surprise with the research, we were quite surprised that it was not only Vivekananda, but there were at least 13 people from India and 9 from Bengal who also went to the same seminar there. And it's beautiful. It's almost like the most adventurous film, the entire story of how he made it to Chicago. He lost the address, and then there was no food and whatever. And while working on this documentary, we went to the Maharaja of Chetri, which is in Rajasthan. And the then Maharaja was the one who basically sponsored his travel. And do you know that he actually booked a second-class ticket in the ship, and the Maharaja upgraded it to the first class. And in his long travel in the ship to Chicago, to Vancouver, he met another Indian, young Indian, and he got to know from that young Indian that he was trying to set up a business of iron ore. And for that, he's traveling all the way to US to get iron ore from there. And it was Swamiji who inspired him that why can't you create something where India can produce its own iron ore? And this boy was quite inspired, and later he set up his industry. And this boy was named Jamshedji Tata. And so there are many interesting stories. We went to Birju Maharajji to know his vision of a typical posture in Kathak, which is like
And he explained that why this posture and what does it mean. And you see Shamiji standing like this. We interviewed Sabyasachi, the famous designer, about his dress, that how a monk wears something which is saffron, which is considered to be, holy and spiritual, but yet it is so royal. So he spoke on that, and I'm sure someday we'll make it. And from Chhetri's Maharaja, we got to know this unique relationship of Bengal and Rajasthan, because until the last day of Shamiji's mother, Chhetri's Maharaja used to be one of the greatest supporter and sponsor, and with his money, his family was running. So a couple of lines from Shamiji. Okay. I think we can do monotone. Okay. No, let's do. After so much of talking, we can't now change. Just remembering him. Now what? Should we end it here or one more or two more? Keep on. Now we've finished all that we've learned. Okay, but I can sing this song for you. Can we have it? I can sing. And you see, this is also a Rajasthani song, this is a Marathi song, this is the song of India. हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो ना हो शायद फिर से जन्म मुलाकात हो ना हो लग जाके
से जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से, फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो ना हो, शायद फिर से जन्म मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले कि फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो। लग जा गले से I just feel like singing this song also. Sorry? I will end with that, for sure. Two line, Disha. I missed this song when I was singing Yaman. अभी अभी तो आई हो, अभी अभी तो. Usually you guys should be saying this to us. अभी अभी तो आई हो, बाहर बन के छाई हो, हवा जरा महक तो ले, नजर जरा बहक तो ले, ये शाम ढल तो ले जरा, ये शाम ढल तो ले जरा, ये दिल संभल तो ले जरा, मैं थोड़ी देर जी तो लूं, नशे के घूंट पी तो लूं, अभी तो कुछ कहा नहीं, अभी तो कुछ सुना नहीं, बुरा ना मानो बात का, ये प्यार है गिला नहीं, अभी ना नहीं नहीं, अभी नहीं नहीं नहीं, अभी नहीं, अभी ना. यही कहोगे तुम सदा कि दिल लगे भरा नहीं. That was literal. I don't know one more song. I want to sing this because this also has Rajasthan and this has my entire country. Don't সব সময় গাই, and এটা শুনুন, this is also beautiful. And not many people sing this. We love singing it. It's Bhair.
Wow.
सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से बह के सागर में मिले, बादलों का रूप लेके बरसे हल्की हल्की, मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, तो सुर बने हमारा, मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, संतरज तेरा तरज, एक बड़ी संतरज, तेरा सुर मिले मेरे सुर दे नाल, मिलके बनेगा नवा सुर तारा, मन तो सुर तो है जैसा प्यारा मिले चले, गीत साजो मधुर तरानो बने चले, सुर का दरिया बह के सागर में मिले, बदलाता रूप लगे, बरसने होले कोने, তোমার সুর মনের সুর সৃষ্টি করো ওই করো, তোমার সুর মনের সুর সৃষ্টি করো ওই করো, সৃষ্টি ওই কোথা। बड़े सूरजो तारो मारो बड़े आपनो सूर निरालो, माझा तुमचा जुड़ता तारा, हे माझा तुमचा जुड़ता तारा, मधुर सुरांचा बरसती धारा, सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से बह के सागर में मिले, बादलों का रूप लेके बरसे हल्के हल्के, ओ मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, तो सुर बने हमारा, तो सुर बने हमारा, तो सुर बने हमारा। जय हो ও মা তোমার চরণ দুটি বুকে আমার ধরে আমার এই দেশেতে জন্ম যেন এই দেশেতেই মরি এমন দেশটি কোথাও খুঁজে পাবে না গো তুমি সকল দেশের রানী সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি পুষ্পে পুষ্পে ভরা সাথী কুঞ্জে কুঞ্জে গাহে পাখি কুঞ্জুরিয়া আসে যদি কুঞ্জে কুঞ্জে কুঞ্জুরিয়া আসে যদি কুঞ্জে কুঞ্জে তারা ফুলের ওপর ঘুমিয়ে পড়ে ফুলের মুখে এমন দেশটি কোথাও খুঁজে পাবে না গো তুমি সকল দেশের রানী সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি I want all of you to sing with me. So, and it's Dhano Dhanno Pushpopara. 2, 3, 4. Dhano Dhanno Pushpopara. देश को सलाम मेरे देश को प्रणाम देश को सलाम सलाम प्रणाम सलाम এমন দেশটি কোথাও খুঁজে পাবে না গো তুমি সকল দেশের রানী সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি সেজে আমার Thank you so much for being such a wonderful audience. Thank you. Thank you truly. I will just take 10 more seconds to introduce my family. Sunny, could you just come here on guitar? Himadri, Appu on drums. Again, Himadri on bass guitar. Shubho on sound. Team Event Mas for managing the entire event, and lastly, yours truly, Shobhit Bro. Thank you so much. Everyone, like to take a bow. Come on.